Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the Twisted Stockinette stitch pattern. Now you might be looking at this and being like, that looks like a regular stockinette. And it's not. This is an example of a regular stockinette to where everything is nice and straight, where this one has twisting going on in it. And I'll show you how to get this effect by doing a knit through the back loop. So once my camera focuses, let's go ahead and get started. You want to cast on any odd numbers onto your needle, which I've already got that. If you need help with any of that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do casting on, knitting, and purling. So for a normal knit, you would go through the front, but for this one, we're actually going to go through the back, like so. And what this ends up doing is this will twist the yarn as you pull it through. So again, let's see this in action. We're going to insert our needle into the back, yarn over, and pull through. And that'll give our twisted effect to our knitting. So again, it's through the back, yarn over, and pull through. We're just going to speed this up just ever so slightly because I am a very slow knitter. So again, it's through the back, yarn over, pull through. And once you get the hang of this motion, it actually starts flowing quite well. But part of my problem for this video is I casted on my stitches too tight, so this is actually a little difficult to do for me. Lesson learned. So after you have finished row 1, row 2, you are going to start off by knitting regularly in the first stitch. Then you are going to purl in every stitch until the last stitch. And in the last stitch, you are going to work a knit stitch. And this is just so your work has a nice edge on the side of it. So here we are purling, following off this row by doing a knit. So the repeat for this pattern is row 1 is going to be knitting in the back loop, followed by row 2 of doing one knit, followed by purling all the way to the last stitch, and then finishing off with a knit. And that is how you do the Twisted Stockinette stitch pattern. Hopefully you found this video helpful. It gives a very great design. If you found it helpful, give it a like and have a happy knitting day.